Good morning everyone, today we're looking at another Invicta watch review. We're looking at another one of the S Rally editions today. So I've done a S1 Rally edition before. We're going to have a look at a different edition number today. So initial look at the box, we've got a gold, like yellow outside box with a nice Invicta strap line just going across there, embossed in the actual box. Simple folding lid as well. Inside the box, it's quite minimalistic in terms of the contents other than the watch that you get. Simple yellow cushion and a guarantee card on there. So here we go guys, this is the Invicta S1 Rally 20109 edition. Got a 53mm case diameter with a 30mm case thickness, so it's quite a thick watch. Retails at £130, probably weighs near enough 200-250 grams, and uses a VD53 quartz movement. There's two sizes you can have these watches in, so you can have it in a 48 or a 53mm. So going across the actual dial here, you've got flame fusion crystal, so it's extra scratch resistant, full sunray style black dial with fully luminous increments and red detailing going on around the face. Full chronograph and 24-hour readout as well. Let's have a look at that movement now. There you go. A nice, like a Ninja Star style chronograph button, or chronograph dial. Nice wind back as well. Inside the actual face of the watch, got no sort of markings inside there of the like serial numbers or anything like that. Overall, it's a very nice bit of detailing going on with the watch. Come out to the casing, we've got full stainless steel style casing here, full jet black finish to the buttons and crown. Let's have a look at that crown movement now. Simple, elegant movement to the dial there. You can see that chronograph hand, well not the chronograph hand, but the 24-hour readout hand spinning around. Full Invicta print on the side here as well. Nice print, that is very, very common for Invicta watches. Coming to the strap, the actual width of the strap here is about 32mm according to specs, but you'll probably need something different to fit inside here. You'll probably need an Invicta tailored strap. Nice checkered print with a red line detailing going down the side here, with a single window system, no sort of metallic like rings inside there to stop fraying, but shouldn't do as it's rubber. Nice indentation on the actual side of the rubber strap to keep it gripped on your wrists. The full Invicta S1 Rally type backplate there, screw down of course. Simple window holders to hold that strap in place, and a full jet black Invicta embossed hinge here. Nice thick holder. So there we go guys, that is the Invicta S1 Rally.